Welcome to Bismarck State College. Enrolling in classes at BSC is an exciting step, and while it can feel a little overwhelming, we're here to make the process as smooth as possible. Before enrolling in classes, we recommend you meet with your advisor to ensure you are on track to graduate with the degree you are seeking at BSC. It's important that you meet with them regularly to make sure you are taking the appropriate classes. Now, let's take a look at how to enroll in your classes. First, log in to Campus Connection, found under the Logins tab at bismarckstate.edu. Once you're logged in, go to Manage Classes. The first thing you want to do is sign your financial obligation agreement. If you do not sign the agreement before enrolling, a hold will be placed on your account, which will prevent you from enrolling in classes until the agreement is signed. In the financial obligation agreement, select Bismarck State College from the academic institution. Next, click the spyglass and select your term, for example, fall 2024 or spring 2025. Follow the rest of the prompts to complete the financial obligation agreement. Now you are ready to enroll in classes. To begin, go to the Schedule Planner tab and select your term. If you have met with your advisor, there may be some courses preloaded into the Schedule Planner, but you can also build your own from scratch. In Schedule Planner, adjust the filters on the page to account for your personal schedule, such as online or on-campus classes or breaks. For example, you may want to schedule a break so that your classes end at 3 p.m., so you can be at work by 4 p.m. Be sure to select an end time, then click Add Break. Next, to add a class, click Add Courses. On the next screen, use the drop-down menu to search for a class by subject, and then course name and number. Click Add Course. You can add multiple classes to your search. Double check if your class has any labs. This is common for science classes. If there is a lab, make sure to add those to your search as well. To view time and day options for your classes, click on Options. Review the class times and modalities available for each class and select the one that best fits your schedule. At BSC, we offer classes in a variety of modalities, including on-campus, hybrid, which is a combination of online and on-campus, online asynchronous, and online synchronous. An asynchronous online class means that there are no specific times when you need to log in for lecture, though you will still have due dates for assignments. Synchronous means that your class is fully online, but there will be a specific online lecture time you will need to attend. Click Generate Schedule to view your class schedule. Verify that your classes don't overlap. If you're happy with your schedule, click the lock icon next to each class to lock in your classes. If you want to change a selection, leave it unlocked and click Back to select a different class and generate a new schedule. When you are satisfied with your schedule, lock in your classes and then hit the Send a Shopping Cart icon. You have one more step for enrolling. Click on your shopping cart and follow the steps to enroll in your classes. You're all set! We are so excited to have you join us at Bismarck State College and can't wait to see you in classes. If you have any questions about how to choose classes or how to enroll, reach out to any advisor at the MAC located in the Student Union or by phone at 701-224-5752 and by email at bsc.advising@bismarckstate.edu.